Hello everyone and welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. In this video, I can show you some different marble flooring ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard style. Marble flooring ideas offer several inspiring benefits that make them popular choice of any homeowners. Here are some of the key advantages. Timeless elegance. Marble has a classic, sophisticated look that add a touch of luxury and refinement to any space. Its timeless beauty never goes out of style. Versatile aesthetics. Marble comes in a wide range of colors, patterns, and veining, allowing you to choose the perfect option to complement your interior design style and create a unique look. Natural beauty. Each marble slab is unique, showcasing its natural variations and veinings. This natural beauty adds character and interest to the flooring, making it a visually appealing choice. Durability. Marble is known for its durability and longevity. With proper care and maintenance, it can withstand heavy foot traffic and last of many years, making it a worthwhile investment. Cool temperature. Marble has a naturally cool surface, making it an ideal choice for warmer climate or areas where you want to maintain a cool environment. It can help keep your space comfortable and pleasant. Hygienic and easy to clean. Marble flooring is non-porous, which means it resists stain and doesn't harbor allergens or bacteria. It is relatively easy to clean and maintain, requiring simple regular care. Increase property value. Installing marble flooring can enhance the value of your property. It, its luxurious appeal and timeless charm can attract potential buyers and add to overall desirability of your home. Reflective properties. Marble has polished surface that reflect lights, creating an illusion of space and brightness. It can make smaller rooms appear larger and contribute to a more open and airy atmosphere. Compatibility with underfloors heating. Marble is an excellent conductor for heat, making it comfortable with underfloor heating systems. This combination provides efficient and comfortable warmth during colder months. Prestigious appeal. Marble flooring is often associated with luxury and high-end aesthetics. It can elevate the overall look and feel of your space, giving it a sense of prestige and grandeur. These inspiring benefits make marble flooring ideas a desirable choice for those seeking a combination of timeless elegance, durability, and aesthetic appeal in their home or commercial space. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.